this was just totally random. There's some other folks up there who we were standing over on the other side. Now, what it's been doing is working its way down towards this end sometimes. So. Man, this location.
He landed.
Did he? He was landing on one of them. On the far side. Oh, there he goes. Just the top. Yeah, it'll perch for a little bit and then take off. We're starting to run out of light now.
Getting a little rough.
And I'm out at the highest ISO I can shoot at.
Yeah. Oh, coming this way.
Yeah. It has come closer. I have some redwoods. Now the weather's closing in too, so
It is.
pretty cool. You don't get a chance to see short-eared owl every day, so.
No, indeed.